Alright, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the area of a major sector. So this is our second video on a series about arcs, sectors and segments. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just do a basic video. This is going to be a very short video, just trying to cover the basics. So this is trying to find an area of a major sector of a circle. So what I've got on the screen, you can see I've got a sector. I know it's a sector as it's just like this actual area. Oh, I thought my highlight was there. This section here, that's your minor sector. So what we're trying to find is everything outside of that. All right. So there's a few ways you can do it, but I'm going to do it just this way. I'm going to find out what that angle is going to be. So it's basically, so a whole circle is 360 for those who remember. So a triangle is half of that, 180. So I'm going to do 360, take away 67. So that tells me that everything else is going to be 293 degrees. All right. So from here, what I'm going to do is that's basically the area, that fraction I've got. So I've got 293 divided by 360, right? And that's a portion of my pi r squared because I'm finding the area. And it's my area formula. So my area is going to be, so 293 divided by 360 times by pi. My radius is 52 squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that into my calculator and I'm going to find out what the answer is going to be. And my answer is going to be 6,913.87. And I'm going to put 877. So actually I should probably round that to 88. There we go. I'm just running 2 decimal points. And I'm going to put my units in millimeters squared because it is an area. So if this was to find the minor segment, so this means that I would actually find that pink section. I'll do it in red pen. So then I would do 67 divided by 360 times by pi 52 squared. Right, and I just basically do the exact same thing. So I do 67 divided by 360 times by pi times by 52 squared. And that would give me 1580.989, and that's just going to be millimeters. Whoops. Squared. All right. You might be wondering, how do I find that in maybe centimeters squared? So millimeters to centimeters. So usually there's 10 centimeters in a 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So I'm actually going to be dividing that by 10. But because the units are squared, I've got to actually square this conversion as well. So I'm going to do 1580.989, whatever the number is, divided by 10 squared. So that means it's just going to be equal to 15.81 centimeters squared. There we go. So the same idea for this one as well. I'll just quickly do that now for you. So it's going to be 6913.88 divided by 10 squared. So, well, basically divided by 100, you're basically moving the decimal point 2 spots, 69.14 centimeters squared. So that's the major sector in black and then the minor sector in red. All right, just a quick video. So tune into the next video for some more examples.